Hello everyone, this is Tracy from VIVNE. Today I will show you how to assemble our 62 kWh battery module into the Leaf ZE0 battery case. All the accessories, reusable parts and related tools on the table, we will use them later. This is original signal harness of the vehicle that we have modified it. Okay, let me take you how to modify it. Okay, this is the wires we removed from the original battery pack. We are going to reuse it. But before we install it back to the new battery pack, we have to modify it first. We have to remove all the temperature wires and remove all the voltage wires. How do we modify it? For this end, you only need to keep this wire. It will be connected to the BMS and remove the other parts. And for this end, remove the temperature wires and the voltage wires. Let's modify it. Okay, we unwrap the tape from the cables. We just unwrap the tape. And now we will find all the voltage wires and the temperature sensors and remove them. Okay, let's do it. Like I said, for this end, we only need to keep this wire and remove all those voltage wires. So we have to cut from here. Okay, those are the temperature wires and the voltage wires. We cut each wire. Make sure the wires won't connect together. Now we use the insulation tape to wrap them together. And wrap them with protective tubing. And wrap more insulation tape around the connection and the protection tubing. Now for this end, remove these temperature wires. Make sure the wires won't connect together. And wrap some insulation tape now. And now the last step is to connect these two wires together. We cut the wires, and we remove some skin from the wires and put them together. We solder them together. Wrap some insulation tape now. Okay, so this is the cable we are going to need. It will be like this. Next, we hammer these four raised parts of the original battery case flat. Put the non-spacer here for installing module J. Please make sure all holes are corresponding. The module J on the gantry crane. It should be installed at the bottom rail and must be aligned with each original hose. Install module G. Install module H. Put these three spacers in here is to install the module K. The module K should be installed at the top rail of the battery case. Install module K. Install module DEF. And install the module ABC. Please try to move out the module DEF and ABC to the both sides as much as possible. We will need enough space for installing the relay module. The module H must align with module DEF, and the module G align with the module ABC. Okay, now let's fix module J. Put the longer bolts to install the module K. And fix the back side of module K. Using manual wrench to tighten all screws for the modules. And mark the screws if you are tightened well to ensure nothing is missed. Fix module H to module DEF. The space is limited, so you can use a tool to fix it. Also need to fix the remaining screws of the module G and ABC. All modules can be installed directly, and all mounting holes align with the original battery case. No drilling, no cutting needed at all. Then mark all the screws to make sure they are tightened well. Connect the signal harness between module J and module H. Connect the signal harness between module H and module DEF. Each harness have a label, so please connect them together according to the labels on the plugs. Connect the signal harness between module G and ABC. Now connect module G and module H signal harness plug to BMS. Connect the signal harness of module G and module H. It's used to connect to the BMS. Install the temperature sensors. A total of 4 temperature sensors for Nissan Leaf ZE0. There's a label on the module to display where the temperature sensors is installed, so you can find it quickly. Also need to tighten the screws. Install the original signal harness. We just modified this one. Firstly, we need to remove this clip. Also need to install this clip back here. Arrange the cables with the cable tie. And cut off the excess parts. Now we install the mounting bracket for the relay module and fix the screws. Install the original relay module and fix the relay module. Install the original high voltage plug. Fix the high voltage connector with the screws. Since our 62 kWh battery is 2.5 cm higher than the original pack, so we need to adjust the height of the service plug. Total 3 short starts, 1 longer start, 1 screw and 1 spacer. These 2 short starts are installed here. The 1 long start is installed here. Okay, now we first install this screw. And install the last short start for the heightening. Then put the spacer on it. To make sure the insulation performance is good, we will wrap some insulation tape around the bracket of the service plug. Install the service plug to G positive power cable. Total of 2 power cables should be connected to the service plug, so we need to connect them together. Install the K-negative to service plug power cable. Only use the manual wedge to fix it. Insert this plug is from the original car signal harness to service plug. Okay, now install the service plug and fix the service plug. Now connect the other end of the power cable of the service plug to G positive. The total setting for the screws is around 8.8 Nm. When you are tightening the wheel, please mark the screws and put the cover. And then connect the other end. It's K-negative to connect service plug. Install the H positive to BDU positive power cable. Still need to mark it after tightening and cover the lid. Okay, here is the BDU positive, and the other side is BDU negative. So don't mix up the positive and the negative. Install the F negative to H positive 1 bus bar. This bus bar is installed at this angle, so please peel this label before installation. Now install this bus bar from H negative to J positive. Also remember to peel off the label before installation. You can use a small spanner at this position to further fix these screws. Install the H negative 1 to BDU negative bus bar. Remember to peel off the label before installation. Install the G negative to C positive bus bar. Just follow the same operation as before. Install the J negative to K positive bus bar. Make sure all screws are fully tightened before covering the lid. Okay, now we installed the last one bus bar. It's connect A negative to D positive. Plug the connector from the original car signal harness into the relay module. Since we have modified the original car signal harness, this connector will no longer be needed. All module and accessories are installed. We measure the voltage between the service plug positive and the BDU negative. Also measure the other side, service plug negative to BDU positive. These two values should keep the same. Now measure the insulation value between the service plug to the ground. Okay, all values are normal. So we can arrange the cables with the cable tie. Cut off the excess parts of the cable tie. The BMS bracket needs to be installed before installing BMS. Please make sure the voltage and the insulation value are within normal range first, then install it. Otherwise, the BMS may be burned out. And all plugs of our module are connected to the bottom of the BMS. This plug is from the original car signal harness. It should be connected to the side of the BMS. The temperature sensor plug also must be connected the same side of the BMS. Fix the BMS. Finally, we can use OBD2 to battery adapter cable and connect the Leaf Spy Pro app to check the battery performance. We can see the value of voltage difference, current, and SOC are within the normal range, which confirms the battery is in good condition. Okay, now the installation is completed. You can install it on your car for road testing before seals the battery case.